Where does the name for Nant y Garreg Ddu come from? So today I'm in Conwy, just south of Glan Conwy, and this stream behind me is called Nant y Garreg Ddu. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down a little bit. First we have Nant. Now Nant in Welsh means a stream. It comes ultimately from Proto-Celtic Nantos, which is the same root as Nantes in France. Then we have which means the, and we have Garreg. Garreg is the soft mutation of Carreg, which means a stone, and then we have D, which means black or dark. So the name literally means Blackstone Stream, or Stream of the Blackstone. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.